Hey everybody, Tim here from Workshop 12, and we've got some new announcements to be able to make. First thing that we wanted to talk about is installation into vehicles. One of the biggest complaints that we've got out there is that it's very difficult to figure out how do I source all of the different parts together to be able to do that installation. So one is tracking down everything that I need. The second thing is, well, now how do I wire it all and get it into my vehicle? So this can be a challenge, especially for those that aren't really used to doing wiring, soldering, butt joints, all the different things that you need to do to be able to do that power step down and get that tablet installed into your car. So what we'd like to announce is we've got a couple of things that we've done. We've sourced all of the different parts that you're going to need, and we've put them all together into a plug-and-play kit for you for your car. So for every single one of our tablet kits, we have our MK1 Electronics that will literally plug and play into your stereo system, into your car. Provide power to your tablet, it gives you all the cables that you need, and everything snaps in. So really, the installation of being able to do this is totally plug and play. Unplug your existing stereo from your harness, plug in, we've included factory harness clips for your car when you make the order. We build them on demand as you order them, and you can snap them straight into your car. So this is going to handle everything for you from power, and it's got a 100-watt amp in there as well to be able to make sure that you've got great power going out to your speakers. It'll work with Bose and non-Bose Nissan setups. We've tested it with our test rig that we'll take a look at in a second. But this makes it really easy for you now to typically just unplug what you've got and plug in the tablet into your system. It's also providing power to your tablet, so this will keep your tablet charged while your car is driving. And also it's got a 4-port hub on it that allows you to plug in any kind of USB accessories that you want. So whether that's our relay controller, or in our FRS kit, that's the climate control, or a CarPlay dongle, you've got 4 open ports that you can plug things in, and our kit makes sure that your tablet will charge and use accessories at the exact same time. All right, so now we're going to take a look at what it takes to install in your car, because it's super simple that we talked about before. So you're going to take your tablet, you're going to plug in our right angle charge port into the bottom. You're going to plug in the 3.5 millimeter jack into the bottom. What we bring with the kit is this little pack noise isolator, so it'll actually clean up any signal that's coming across the line. You're going to plug those into the RCA connectors into the back of the MK1 kit, and then literally you're going to take your harness that you're going to plug into your car. So we have a few of them here in our testing station for the different vehicles that we support. This one is a 370Z that I have it plugged into, and that's it. That's installation. If we actually hit play on our music, now we've got lovely music from Samsung coming through the system. There's a dial on the actual amplifier here for however much you want to boost and amplify the sound coming through the system. And from a testing perspective, we typically are going to put our hands on the different front and rear speakers and sub, making sure that everything is powering through the car. We go through all those checklists before we ship that out. So that's literally all there is for being able to install the MK1 plastics into your car and the electronics that are going to go along with those. Super simple. Anybody should be able to do it if you can take apart your dashboard, and that will get you up and running. You don't have to worry about anything. So check out our website for all the details on the MK1 Electronics, how to buy them, how we can ship them to you, and we'll get you up and going as quickly as we can.